Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to do some creative writing and our topic is letter writing. Writing letters today is pretty similar to 20 years ago, but it is a little more special. Why? You take the time to get off the computer and actually mail the letter. This makes your letter just a little bit more special to your recipient. Now here is a letter with address, date, greeting and the body. You can see here. Now what is a letter? Well, a letter is a medium to convey your message to others in formal or informal way. Now types of letters, there are two types of letters. Formal letters, that is they are called as business letters, which you write to some institutions and companies. And then we have got informal letters, that is friendly letters, which you write to your relatives and your friends. Now here are some sample letters. Now first see the date. You can see this is actually the example of a formal letter, that is business letter. You can see the date. Well, emails take care of this for you, so you don't need to worry about it, but online. But if you are writing a letter by hand or typing, so make sure to include the date, means near the top of the page. So this is the date which you are going to write on the top of the page, and then comes the address to you, address of some company, which if this is a formal letter, or address of a home if you are writing to your friends or relatives. Yes, this is a more clear picture. You can see first the date and the address. Now comes the greeting, right? This is a greeting, you can see. Now whether it's hello or dear, this is where you state who you are writing to. So this is the greeting, it's very important. Then comes the subject, basically. If this is an example of from a letter, that's why it's not showing the subject right here, but if you can see after salutation the subject is given. That is your purpose for writing. This is concise, that is why you are writing this letter and what is the need of it, the explanation. Then comes the body of the letter. Yes, you can see the body of the letter, sorry. So in this you can make paragraphs. First paragraph you just provide the introduction about your topic. In the following paragraphs you provide more and more specific details regarding the topic. For example, here they have just made 3 paragraphs, and you write the body of the letter, that is you include everything the recipient needs to know about why you are writing this letter. Okay, then we have got the closer, that is the ending. This is where you sign off with sincerely or truly yours, or just thanks and best wishes, and just write your name. Now some informal letters, that is letter to your relatives or friends, just like this is a letter to your mother. The contents are, Assalamu alaikum, I have received your letter and I am happy to know that you are fine. I am sorry that I could not reply to your letter and I was busy preparing my test in English. It was held yesterday and was so easy, I have solved all the questions. I hope to get full marks on it. I shall continue hard work in future and need your prayers. Salam to all at home. This is just ending, and you have just written your lovingly. You can say your daughter or your son, whatever you want. This is another example of informal or friendly letters. The right to the top right, you have to write your address and the date, and then comes the salutations, the greetings. Dear Maya, the maybe a friend name. Thank you very much for your last letter. It was just great to hear from you after so many months. You seem to have been doing a nice time, spending a nice time in France. So this is a letter to your friend who has just gone to France, and he or she has sent you the photographs regarding the Eiffel Tower, and you are praising him or her regarding the beauty, the scenery and the pictures. This is there are 3 you can see 3 main paragraphs are there to just give the detail of the topic you're discussing about, and then hope to see you soon and your name, the closing, as I have told you already. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching.